Hello and welcome to the spoken tutorial on question glues in KTurtle. In this tutorial, we will learn the following question glues and not. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 12.04, KTurtle version 0.8.1 beta. We assume that you have basic working knowledge of KTurtle and if-else statement in KTurtle. If not, for relevant tutorials, please visit our website. Before proceeding, let me explain about question glue words. Question glue words enable us to glue small questions into one big question. And, or, and not are some glue words. Glue words are used together with if-else conditions. Let us open a new KTurtle application. Click on Dash Home. In the search bar, type KTurtle and click on the option. Let us begin the tutorial with glue word and. I already have a program in a text editor. Let me copy the program from text editor and paste it into KTurtle's editor. Please pause the tutorial here and type the program into your KTurtle editor. Resume the tutorial after typing the program. Let me zoom into the program text. It may possibly be a little blurred. Let us look at the code. Reset command sets turtle to its default position. Message in a program is given within double quotes after the keyword message. Message command takes string as input. It shows a pop-up dialog box containing text from the string and also generates a beep for non-null strings. A, B and C are variables that store user input. Ask command prompts for user input to be stored in variables. If A plus B greater than C and B plus C greater than A and C plus A greater than B, checks the if condition. When the two questions glued with and are true, result is true. If A not equal to B and B not equal to C and C not equal to A, checks the if condition. When if condition above is true, control moves into nested if block. It checks whether sides of triangle are unequal. Font size 18 sets the font size used by print command. Go 10,100 commands turtle to go 10 pixels from left of canvas and 100 pixels from top of canvas. Print command displays the string after checking the if condition. Else command checks else condition when if condition in the block is false. Print command displays the string after checking the else condition. Else command checks the final condition. Here, else is checked only when above conditions are false. Print command displays the string after checking the else condition. I will run the code to check all the conditions. Let us click on the run button to run the program. A message dialog box pops up. Let me click OK. Let us enter 5 for length of AB and click OK. 8 for length of BC and click OK. 9 for length of AC and click OK. A scalene triangle is displayed on the canvas. Let us run again. A message dialog box pops up. Let me click OK. Let us enter 5 for length of AB and click OK. 6 for length of BC and click OK. 6 for length of AC and click OK. Not a scalene triangle is displayed on the canvas. Let us run again to check default condition. A message dialog box pops up. Let me click OK. Let us enter 1 for length of AB and click OK. 1 for length of BC and click OK. 2 for length of AC and click OK. Does not satisfy triangles inequality is displayed on the canvas. Let us now clear this program. Let me type clear command and run. Clear command cleans the canvas. Let us next work with not condition. Let me copy the program from the text editor and paste it into KTurtle's editor. Please pause the tutorial here and type the program into your KTurtle editor. Resume the tutorial after typing the program. Let me zoom into the program text and explain the program. Reset command sets turtle to default position. A, B and C are variables that store user input. If not, A is equal to B and B is equal to C and C is equal to A, checks the if not condition. Not is a special question glue word. It inverses the logical state of its operand. Example, if the given condition is true, not makes it false. And when the condition is false, the output will be true. Print command displays the string after checking the if not condition. Else command is executed when if condition is false. Print command displays the string after checking the else condition. Go 100,100 commands turtle to go 100 pixels from left of canvas and 100 pixels from top of canvas. Repeat 3 within brackets, turn right 120, forward 100, commands turtle to draw an equilateral triangle on the canvas. Let me run the program to check all the conditions. Press F5 key to run the code. Enter 6 for length of AB and click OK. Enter 5 for length of BC and click OK. Enter 7 for length of AC and click OK. Triangle is not equilateral is displayed on the canvas. Let us run again. Let us enter 5 for length of AB and click OK. 5 for length of BC and click OK. 5 for length of AC and click OK. Triangle is equilateral is displayed on the canvas. An equilateral triangle is drawn on the canvas. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned the question glues and not. As an assignment, I would like you to write program to determine angle concept for a right angle triangle using question glue or. Structure of if or condition. If within brackets condition or within brackets condition or within brackets condition within curly brackets do something else within curly brackets do something. Watch the video available at this URL. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial Project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This is Madhuri Ganpati from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.